Hello viewers, welcome to my channel RS Organic Food. Today I will tell you about the benefits and difference of beef and mutton. Beef is primarily composed of protein and contains varying amounts of fat. Protein is main nutritional component of meat. Beef protein is highly nutritious and may promote muscle growth. Beef contains varying amounts of fat which contribute substantially to energy content. Beef contains many other vitamins and minerals in lower amount. Beef contains vitamin B12 which is essential nutrient for blood formation. It is also essential for brain and nervous system. Beef is very rich in zinc which is very important for growth of body and maintenance of muscle. Beef is a rich source of selenium which is essential trace element which helps many functions in the body. Iron found in high amount in beef. Lower amount of vitamin B3 may increase risk of heart disease. Vitamin B6 is important for blood formation. Phosphorus is important for body growth and maintenance of body. Beef improves performance during exercise. Beef helps in prevention of anemia. Mutton is considered as the real meat produced by the domestic goat. Mutton is very rich source of many vitamins and minerals including vitamin B12, iron and zinc. It is commonly and mostly consumed meat all over the world by the people because of its high protein level, high iron level and low fat level. Sheep is famous for its neat hair, skin and specially milk. Mutton protect us from heart disease. It also protect us against cancer. It maintain our DNA. Mutton give us energy. It keep us happy. Mutton protect our immune system. It also keep our cell working normally. It look after our skin. Mutton are essential for brain functions. High quality protein is main nutritional component of lamb. Lamb contain varying amount of fat. Mutton is very rich source of many vitamins and minerals including vitamin B12, iron and zinc. Vitamin B12 is important for blood formation and the function of the brain. It is only found in animals' diet food and it's absent from vegan diets. Zinc is present in high amount in lamb meat than plants which play a vital role in growth and formation of hormones. Iron found in high amount in mutton. Mutton improve physical performance, muscle functions, stamina and exercise performance. Phosphorus is important for body growth and maintenance of body. These specialties shows that we are following all international standards and our products worth your trust and satisfaction. So it will be an honor for us if you join us as regular customers. Eat healthy, live healthy and keep connected to organic food. Have a good day.